Hello, in this video we'll show you how to remove and replace the AC compressor on Volkswagen Golf 5 1.9 TDI. The AC compressor is located underneath the alternator, so on the bottom of the engine, but the two connectors are on top. First we need to remove the serpentine belt. This is the tensioner that we need to loosen. We'll move the tensioner with a wrench size 16 so that we can get the serpentine belt loose so that we can get it off. Here it is, the belt is off. Next we'll remove the two pipes that connect to the AC compressor. They're on top, they're held by two Torx bolts that we need to remove. There's the two pipes removed. Next we need to remove the cooling fan because there is not much space to take out the AC compressor bolts. The cooling fan is held by four bolts, two on top and two on the bottom. We need to remove this plastic on the right as well so that we can get access to one of the bolts. That's the one bolt on top. The other bolt on top is behind this plastic hose that we need to remove. Here's the other bolt. Next to remove the connector for the cooling fan, and afterwards we can remove the two bolts that hold the cooling fan on the bottom. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now we remove the two bolts on top that hold the cooling fan. After the four bolts are removed, we can take out the cooling fan. Here in my case there is not much space, so we can either remove this pipe that goes to the AC compressor, actually to the AC condenser, or the other pipe that goes to the intercooler, the air pipe that goes to the intercooler can be removed in order to make space to take out the cooling fan. Now we can take out the cooling fan. We take it out from the bottom. The next thing we have to remove is the AC compressor. The AC compressor is held by three bolts, two on the bottom, one on top. There is a connector that we have to remove as well. We've already removed the two pipes that are on top that connect to the AC compressor. After we remove the 3 bolts on the AC compressor, we can take out the AC compressor and replace it with a new one.